Need something to stimulate my mind. Let's get it, man. Truth in the Booth Session 2. Mind getting tired, man. Yeah, I'm finna go in on it. I'm finna sit it that's close to the gut when the boys they pop their joint, they talking rough before they bluff, and we'll make this shit get tough. Guarantee they wanna see us cause we coming with them cannons. Put hollow tips off in the clips and make that shit do damage. Boy, you talking like you raw, talking about that you a G, talking about you got a click. Man, them niggas I can't see because them niggas ain't with you, but you steady popping lip. Man, I got them hollow tips in the clip aim at your hip, but y'all niggas don't wanna see me cause my niggas steady bustin' on you niggas. Ain't no cousins, guaranteed you better be ducking. Now you slapping in the field. Got them hollows in your gut. Got your whole head smashed with your back and shoulders slump. And the city is we too. Yes, the city where I live. Yes, the city where we get it. Then the city that's too real. Yeah, we got niggas talking hard. We got niggas that act flaw. We got niggas that's in this bitch. Got these niggas that act raw. Got these niggas that's talking crazy like they really about that drama. But them niggas don't wanna see that llama. Ain't right if they mama cack it back and it do damage when they caught back with them things. Guarantee them still slugs, man. They coming for your brains, they leave a stain when I aim. They coming just like trains, got the shit fall in like rain. And you know it bring the pain. It ain't no game, it ain't no shame in my motherfucking veins. Bitch, I'm insane in the membrane. Might as well call me Rick James. Ain't got no, that's how I do. Man, I really don't like this freestyle, but you know I'm speaking, and you know that I be speaking wild. Steady going in on the beat. This ain't the best, but you know I did my best, so I'm leaving this at the rest. Yeah.